Okay, my name's Stephen Goebel, and I am finally to the point where I can start working on week one, task one. Um, as you can see, it is pretty late on Tuesday, May 20th. I'm hoping to get caught up as quickly as possible. Um, After surgery, it has proven to be a little bit more difficult than I thought to get going with all this stuff. But anyway, after going through and reviewing all of the tasks for the week or for week one, um, it looks like we're supposed to explore, um, why some teachers choose to make decisions that facilitate technology integration in their courses and why some teachers don't. So, what I'm going to do is try to use the internet to research this topic and organize as much as possible so that it will help me to do the further tasks later on this for week one. But anyway, we'll start with. I'm gonna open up. Let's see. I'm gonna start a new bookmark. Say, let's call it week one. Task one. Okay. Yep. Huh. Oh, not a bookmark folder. That's what it is. Okay. Week one, task one. I can delete these other two. Okay, so inside of this, you can see my personal presentation. I sort of organized everything. One thing that I've found, especially using the internet, is organization is the key because every website you go to, when you're researching, it's so easy to find something really good and then lose it. But so we will just gonna open up a new tab here, and then all right, we'll start with just asking a question here and see what pops up. Why some teachers choose to use technology in the classroom. So right now all I'm doing is just kind of looking through to see if there are any websites that catch my eye. Just start with this first one, I guess. So what I'm doing now is just kind of browsing this website, looking to see if there's anything interesting in here that I could use. Okay, so this doesn't look too bad. It talks about reasons for integrating technology, how technology changes the way students learn, creating a class website. all the different ways that technology can help in the classroom. So I'm just going to add this bookmark. Alright, so we've got our first website that we can draw from later when I'm ready to start compiling everything. Alright, so I will go back. I'll just go to the next one here. The use and abuse of technology in the classroom. Okay, now this basically starts off positive, but then it starts to talk about why this person is concerned about the use of technology, about the way that it's incorporated into the classroom. Okay, technology should not be used as simply a digital worksheet. Okay, so this isn't too bad. It lists a few reasons, a few things technology should not be used for. Okay, so this site's not too bad either. So I'm going to go ahead and add this bookmark also. All right. Effects of technology on classroom and students. So again, all I'm doing is just kind of reading through here, looking for keywords, key sentences that stick out to me to let me know whether this is something I can use or not. Okay, so this one's not too bad. I'm going to actually go ahead and add this bookmark. Click on the next one here. This one's about incorporating technology into your teaching. It's an interesting quote. It says, when you go to the hardware store to buy a drill, you don't actually want the drill, you want a hole. They don't sell holes at the hardware store, but they sell drills, which are the technology used to make holes. We must not lose sight that technology, for the most part, is a tool and it should be used in applications which address educational concerns. So that's interesting how they use that to draw the comparison. Makes a lot of sense. Okay, this is pretty cool. Technology can support and enhance your teaching and student learning in 3 central ways, and it lists these 3. I think those are going to be pretty good to use. So again, I'm going to add this bookmark. So I can come back to that later. Alright, so encouraging teacher technology use. Here we go. Some teachers, experts say, still are reluctant to use technology, mostly because of a lack of time, a lack of resources, or a lack of confidence in their ability to use the available technology. This is exactly correct. Okay. Incentives, support, encouragement. Okay, so this is actually pretty good. Talks a lot about why teachers have so much trouble integrating technology, and it gives some tips for encouraging teachers to use that technology. So this is a pretty great one. I'm actually going to move that one right up to the top just because that's so good. All right. Okay, here we go. Although there's been a strong push to get educational technology into the hands of teachers and students, many obstacles to implementation still exists. Equipment may not be placed in easily accessible locations. Hardware and software problems. Lack of time and motivation and technological skill. Professional development activities don't provide ongoing hands-on training. So here's, again, this is another really good one. So that's pretty cool. All of just typing in that one little question, all of these websites have turned out to be pretty good. All right. Edutopia. It's like a blog.